Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something very dangerous. We're roasting LinkedIn profiles again. Part 1 was cute. This one is stricter. So if you're sensitive, leave now. Today we're fixing profiles, not just hating. If your profile is not making you money, it's just decoration. And we don't do decoration here, we're doing sales. Hi, I'm Teodora, LinkedIn and sales consultant, helping businesses make more money. I'm also founder of Hot Take, LinkedIn engagement tool, which, as we can see, many of you desperately need. Anyone who watched this till the end and drop a comment below will get a free access. Okay, first victim. Brother, why is this so complicated? Your cover photo looked like PowerPoint presentation had a baby with anxiety. Simplify this. Cover photo should say one thing. LinkedIn branding that makes you the obvious choice. Not 17 services, not your philosophy, not your life story. Headline fix right now. I help brands grow, blah blah blah, strategic visibility. You lost me. Nobody cares. Make it punchy. LinkedIn strategy and positioning. Done. Notes. Remove AI from the cover. Everybody is using AI. You're not unique. You're not special. No book a call button. Straight to jail. About section, too many dashes feels like a Morse code. Where is your email? How does people pay you? Features section, image.png. What is this? A scene. Posts, same visuals every time. Boring. Reposting your own posts is desperate energy. Final score is 3.5 out of 5. You're not bad, just confused. Next one. Headline, good. Cover, No book a call button again. If we had $1 every time I said that, I will be retired by now. Posts, too long, no pinned comments, no signature, but you're consistent. Respect, advice, shorten posts, add pinned comments. It's a free reach, guys. Add visuals, like GIFs, memes, anything human. You have low followers, so you need to add from 150 to 250 followers connections every week. No random people, your ICP. Profile number 3, Mark Villari. Mark friend, what's going on here? His profile has potential, but right now it feels like LinkedIn has a drawer and you put everything in it. The reposting needs to calm down immediately, because instead of looking active, it looks confusing. And confused does not convert. You have a solid experience, you know people, you have credibility. So why is this profile not acting like it? Right now it feels like half personal brand and half storage unit. The flags, I'd remove them. They shrink your presence for no reason. And the experience section, one part is nicely explained. The rest looks like you got tired halfway through your own career. That is when someone lands on your page, they should instantly get who you are, what you're good at, and why they should care. Right now, they need to investigate, and nobody do investigations and detective work on LinkedIn. Final verdict. Too many reposts, not enough original authority, good background and messy delivery. Clean it up, own your voice. And stop making people work this hard to understand you. Profile for the GOAT. Okay, finally someone who knows what they're doing. Headline clean, cover clean, profile photo clean. Posts insane. This is 5 out of 5. Only fix add experience description. That's it. Marry me. Profile number 5. Bro, why are you limiting yourself to coaches? You just cut the 80% of your market. Headline fix, I turn personal brand into client booking systems. Simple, clear, money. About section, too many lines, too many dashes. I don't want to read this, I want to buy. Posts. Inconsistent. Problem. No signature, no pinned comments. 911 call. Emergency. If your profile doesn't have clear headline, simple cover, book a call button, email, consistent content, pinned comments, you don't have a LinkedIn strategy, you have vibes. If you want me to roast you, drop a comment. See you in the next one. Love you.